Hello, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to swatch everything that I got from my last haul. You can find the haul on my channel. It's the video before this video. And I have a lot of different art supplies, starting off with the watercolors that I got. Then I will swatch some of the pencils that I bought, and last but not least there will be some drawing inks by Windsor and Newton. Here in this tin we have two brands of watercolor, and the one brand in the full pens is Roman Schmal. Roman Schmal is a beautiful brand. They have a lot of beautiful colors, and the paint is really flowy and unpredictable, and that is what I like about watercolors, is that it's super flowy and sort of like organic. And I decided to pick 4 more colors, even though I already have some Roman Schmal colors. I didn't have these ones yet, and I'm really happy with the colors that I've chosen. And in the video I will show the name of the colors. And the other 5 little pens in this tin are the Schmincke limited edition super granulating colors, and then I decided to pick up the forest colors. So that is everything that I want to share about the watercolors. I will start some relaxing music, and then once we jump into the pencils I will pick it up again, and then I will share a bit about the art supplies. But if you want to hear my in-depth thoughts about these art supplies, more rambling about them, you can watch my video in which I show what I got and why I got it. So yeah, let's start the music. Moving on to colored pencils, one of my other most loved art supplies, and I have discovered some new pencils, which are the Derwent Graphite Tint pencils, and I'm swatching them right now, and they are water soluble. So now you can see the dry swatch, and then I will put some water on it, and you can see how beautiful these colors are. In my art haul, I've shown you 4 colors, but here you can see 5 because I decided to pick up another color, which is called Port, and it is the red color, the 4th color in this row. And I am really obsessed with the green color, the 1st color. It's really beautiful dry. It's like a deep dark green, but then when you add water, it's so bright. It's even more bright than the camera is showing you right now. It's beautiful, and I highly recommend that color. And these are super fun to layer, to play with texture, to just create art with. Well, I also picked up some other types of pencils. This is the first Bit Faber-Castell pencil that I decided to buy, and it's a soft pastel pencil. And at the moment I am really obsessed with soft pastels, dry pastels. You can see it on my Instagram. I have picked up some soft pastels from the art store. I think my next video will be about why I enjoy working with soft pastels so much at this moment. But yeah, so I really like that. I also picked up one soft pastel pencil, and I think there's a big chance that also that collection will grow. And here you can also see the other colored pencils that I got. Well, the last thing that I showed you in my little art haul video are these Windsor and Newton inks. I got them as a present, and this is a starter set, and here I will swatch all of the colors. I haven't mentioned that, but this paper is mixed media paper by Canson, and it's a great inexpensive mixed media paper that you can use for a lot of different medias, as the name would suggest. And it's the Canson mixed media paper, and that is the dark with the dark blue cover. And I am enjoying this paper a lot, and it works great for swatches because it isn't super expensive. Here you can see all of the colors. I love the packaging of these inks, and they dry really beautiful and matte. It's a great color selection. You can mix a lot of different colors from here. So yeah, also something that I would recommend, and they weren't super expensive. These 8 cost me 20 euros, which I think it's a great price. Swatching the green, beautiful green, and then last but not least I will swatch the black, and it's an Indian ink, and I love the artwork on this ink. It's really beautiful. It's like a cool spider, and it really inspires me to create some artwork with only using the black ink, and the black ink is super opaque and just a great thing to have in your collection. So yeah, here you can see all of these swatching, all of the things that I got. Super happy with everything. Looking forward to create beautiful art supplies with it. No, looking forward to create beautiful artworks with it, having fun with it, experimenting with it, and yeah, swatching all of these colors made me really happy and made me want to jump in and create some stuff. So yeah, that was my video. I hope you really enjoyed the swatching part. If you want to see the haul, there's a few more bits in the haul, like a sketchbook and some pencils that I got. Feel free to watch that, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!